Daylight Time. At 1:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near West Cameron 66, or 18 nautical miles southeast of Cameron. The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 66 and West Cameron 71. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.